Continuing coverage of our fallen officers tonight, a bipartisan effort underway to help the families of law enforcement officers killed in the line of duty.
Yeah, a bill introduced in the state Senate will extend medical benefits to the survivors of fallen officers and, frankly, other state employees killed in the line of duty. News 5's Andy Cohen heard that bill today from the sponsors at that news conference at the state capitol. So tell us more about the motive behind this.
Well, absolutely. Currently, when an employee dies, that benefit that's provided it ends at the end of the month in which that employee dies. So this bill goes ahead and extends those health and dental insurance benefits to the employee's surviving family for a full year.
It's about doing the right thing.
It's common sense.
State lawmakers introduced legislation Thursday to extend health benefits to the families of employees who were killed on the job.
This bill will allow families of those employees to have insurance coverage for a full year instead of having it end at the end of the month of the death of that employee.
Velma Donahue's late husband, State Trooper Cody Donahue, died on the 25th of November in 2016.
6 days after he was killed, before we had his funeral, my daughter got sick. I took her to the doctor to be told that after 11 years I have no health insurance.
She says that just compounded the stress of dealing with the death of her husband.
It was very hard. It was very scary. I kept thinking, oh my God, what if something happens to me today? What if something happens to the children? What is going to happen to us?
The bill passed out of a Senate committee this afternoon on a unanimous vote. State Rep Tony Exum from Colorado Springs is a lead sponsor in the House.
They have enough to deal with to figure out what they're going to be doing with their lives after such a tragic loss.
He expects the bipartisan legislation to make its way to the governor's desk and to help grieving families in the future to have a little less to worry about.
Now, this legislation only affects state employees, so Deputy Micah Flick, of course, worked for the El Paso County Sheriff's Office, and a spokesperson told me today that the commissioners here locally are considering a similar change to our policy. Deputy Flick's family will receive a $30,000 life insurance payment from the county to help them through this tough period. Watching out for you, Colorado Springs. Andy Cohen, News 5.
Andy.